I am Abeer Chakavarty from Kolkata, and coming here to Oasis, it's an incredible, holistic feeling of a retreat. The place is truly magical. The surroundings are so inspiring, and it kind of brings together a whole energy of the forest and the people that you are associated with here into creative thinking, into new thinking. And that's why I guess the Oasis movement has been spurred, and it has taken quantum leaps in helping to improve the lot of children pressurized through education. So I salute the movement, and I wish it all the best.